Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Blessed as Navinara channel. So today we are going to talk about rents in UAE. Actually, I got a request from few people asking, the person who wants to come here for the first time, and then if they don't have any friends, how to find out accommodation and all. So today I'm going to discuss, it's not only about rents or accommodation, but I'm just asking you, whoever wants to come, are you ready with other things, like all other things? It's just not that in your mind you're going to take visa and then you're going to come and search for a job and then you're going to get the job. It's a only thing you're thinking, or thinking anything else. So I just want to have a fair idea, how does it work, how it's going to be, and what all the things you have to consider even before you think about coming here. Yeah, I absolutely agree. It's not like any other countries. Yes, you can take visa and then you can come here. You can search for a job, and then later on, once you get the employment, the employer will process your permanent visa. That is, we call here it as residence visa. So that is one thing. The other thing is, say person is coming here for the first time, just thinking that only they're going to get the job in a month. But if that doesn't work, you have to extend. Usually I have seen people come here on 3 months visa to be on safer side. So what is the amount you're going to incur on rent only for these 3 months? It's not that it just rent only. Then what about your food? And how long you are going to eat from outside? Yes, food is little cheaper only if we compare. Maybe you can grab some kind of sandwiches, snacks, something like that. You find everywhere. Food is not a problem, but how you are going to spend the money? So how much you are going to carry on that? And then if you are taking any bachelor accommodation, and then are you prepared for cooking also for yourself? Three months. So what is the cost on you're going to incur on your public transportation? So what is the cost, not only this, God forbid, any medical emergency. So how you are going to spend on that also? What else? Yeah, internet, mobiles. Uh, yeah, these are the few things, and then obviously you need to have a laptop also. So wherever you are put up sharing accommodation, you will have Wi-Fi and all, but phone and all, I don't think so. It works much better than laptops, because for any job, if you want to apply, you have to change, and then based on the position you are applying, you have to modify a little bit, if not completely, or 50% also, at least 10 to 15% you need to change. All those things will not happen through mobile and all. So you have to keep all these things in mind. And then when it comes to main on accommodation, as usual in any country for that matter, you have lot of websites. You can sitting in India also, you can search for that. You can search and you can check for the what is the amount you're going to incur on that and all. You can check, no problem. Here one thing is, information whatever they will post on the sites, that will be genuine only. So there's no problem, people say something on websites and they take something. No, it's not like that here, as long as I have seen. So that is not at all a problem. You can manage that. But so 3 months, how you are going to survive? So you have to prepare to cook also. For cooking also, it's just that doesn't happen, right? You need to have some vessels also. So that is also a cost. Or you have to carry all these things from India. I mean, any country, from whichever home country you are traveling. So my sincere suggestion here is, it's just not that that thing we have in our mind, instead of working here, I'll just go and try. Yes, obviously, especially people who are in early 20s or mid 20s or late 20s, also no problem. Yeah, it's kind of investment. You can incur this much of amount, you can come and then try your luck. If you get a job, well and good, and then if you don't get, you have to go back, incurring so much amount. So you have to mentally also prepare on this. It's not only thinking positive thing. Yeah, think positively for 80%, 20% also, maybe you might have to go back also. So all these things, please work out on these things. These days we have got lot of information on websites and all. Just work around, what is the amount you are going to get only on rent and the cooking, your mobile charges, or other things, other expenses, public transportation, weekends going around. Once you get to know a few people, so you tend to move around for such things also. Maybe you would be tempted to do some shopping also. So all these things, list out one by one, and the amount also. So if we calculate, especially in Indian currency, it will go up. It's not that easy. But suppose if you know somebody who can really, guide you, or maybe if they can accommodate you at least 1 week, 10 days, maybe guide you properly, that would be really very good. You can really appreciate whoever that is, that the person would be and all. But in case if you don't have anybody like that, you just have to rely information like like this, or information based on the internet and all. So you have to be little bit careful, and then please take wise decision. Just don't jump in. Yeah. People, especially as I mentioned, the age criteria, in that age criteria, who really don't have that much of responsibilities, yeah, and then they can come and they can search for the job, and then they can start working. And one more thing I would like to tell you, the working culture and all, totally, it is totally different from country to country, place to place. For that matter, even in India also, we have got so many different states, also different languages. So when you go from one city to another city, obviously it will be different only. So when you are coming out of country also, obviously it will be different. It will not be the same thing, and then you have to prepare for that also. But then I want to cut it short here. The main focus is how well you are prepared to land here and then to search for a job. But in my next video, I'm going to give exactly, once you come here, once you start searching for the jobs, what are the things you're going to face, and what kind of jobs you're going to get it, and what is your background, how you're going to land up in some other different sectors also, how you have to be, be smart or quick enough to adapt to those kind of roles or jobs and all. So I'll come up with the next video on these things. So till then, yeah, one more thing I would like to tell you. So if you really, anybody, if they are really in plan of coming like this, and then after this period stabilizes, if you really need any further information, I openly cannot give, this is this much, this is this much, how it will be and all. But if anybody wants that kind of information, please you check my Instagram, which I am giving in my every video's description. I can really help you out giving exact information here. Okay, hope guys you like this video. Please, if you're watching for the first time, if you really like this, please subscribe, like, share, and then don't forget to click on bell icon. See you soon in my next video, whatever I said. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.